it is Inga Babarach in this video. So it's been long since I made a bunch of videos, so here I am back with more videos for you guys. So today we're going to be opening a few packages. So this is the first one, it's a big roll, and this is the second one, which is super heavy. So we're going to be opening this to see what's inside. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, let's begin. I'm really curious about what's in the big one, so we're going to be opening this at the last. Now let's open the tiny tube. So first I'm going to be cutting all the tape off. Okay, I cut the tape. And I think these are wall stickers because they're like in a tube. And also they're like paper inside, so let's dump these out. In this tube there is this roll, so I'm going to be showing it to you guys by spinning. Oh wow, it's for kitchen. Okay, it's just like this. It's like for kitchen tiles, I think. Here it is, all spread out. Wow, that looks cool. So here it is. So this is what's inside the tiny tube. So I bet this goes on like the kitchen tiles. So I'm going to be showing you this on my kitchen tiles. So yeah, this is the first one. So we completed this one. Now we're going to be opening this big one. So it's really big and it's really heavy. And here there's given like a silver thingy. So I'm just going to pull this out like this. Yeet. Now, oh my gosh, I think this is wallpaper too because look what's inside. It's like a really big tube of wallpaper stickers. So let's pull this out if we can. Oh my gosh, I just took this out of the big tube and it's super heavy, to be honest. And look at this, there are like many rolls. So guys, we just opened all of the tubes, and after pasting these on the walls, these and these, we're going to be showing you the final results, so stay tuned.